This is the HiveRadar wireless site survey kit setup and operations guide. We'll cover the kit contents, how to deploy it correctly, and the do's and don'ts you need to know before heading into the field. To begin setup, gently lay the WSSK case flat and open it by squeezing the latches and lifting the lid. Inside, you'll find everything you need for an AP on a stick survey: the stabilizer legs, carbon fiber poles, the pre-installed HiveRadar power pack, the HiveRadar battery, and a central foam insert area that can be custom cut to store additional accessories. Go ahead and remove any tools and accessories you'll need for the survey. To power up the WSSK, first connect the 12-volt plug into the receptacle of the HiveRadar power pack. Then, press and hold the power button until the indicator lights turn on. In addition to the indicator lights on the battery, there will also be indicator guide lights on the chassis below for the PoE injector. The guide lights depend on the version, with the bottom single light being for the regular PoE plus injector, while the two on the bottom left are for the PoE plus injector. They will glow red when there is nothing connected to the WSSK and green when powering an AP. The WSSK comes with two stabilizer legs that attach to the bottom of the case. With the case still on its back, loosen the clamps on the legs, line each one up with the bottom mounting brackets, and tighten. The tightening knobs should face inward. Once the legs are secure, extend them out and stand the case upright on level ground. The kit bundle also includes castring wheels that slide onto the leg ends. Hold down the button on the side, slide the wheel over the leg, then release the button to lock it in place. The wheels have a locking mechanism to keep them stationary when needed. Our universal T-bar bracket features a T-rail compatible with most APs. Align the AP bracket with the rail and rotate to lock into place. Steps may vary by vendor adapter. Next, connect the universal AP mounting bracket to the top extension pole. Slightly loosen the knob on the bracket, then attach it by rotating it clockwise onto the pole. As it nears fully seated, orient the AP to your preferred facing direction, then tighten the knob to lock it down. When removing the bracket, loosen the knob just enough to rotate it off. Don't unscrew it all the way. The metal insert in the bracket base can fall out, and that insert is required for the knob to engage properly and for the bracket to mount securely. The bracket includes a rotating T-bar rail mount for compatible APs, plus a screw mount on top for accessories like the included adjustable GoPro mount or the optional HiveRadar beacon. The top of the WSSK has 3 connection points. The center is the mounting point for the carbon fiber pole assembly. The kit includes 3 poles that together can reach up to 12 feet in total with kit deployed, or 3.6 meters. And 2 of the poles have extending sections with lockable knobs for height adjustment. To mount the poles, unscrew the cap at the top of the kit and thread in the lower pole assembly. Take care to align the pole straight to the base before threading to avoid damaging the mounting thread. Beside the central pole mount are 2 labeled RJ45 ports. The port on the right is data in. Connect this to a hardwired source, Starlink, or any other data feed. The port on the left is data out, which carries PoE power and data to your AP. Run the included Ethernet cable from the PoE input port on your AP down to the data out port. The AP should power on as soon as both ends are seated. Use the included Velcro straps to secure the cable to the pole and prevent snagging. The V3 WSSK is airline friendly and qualifies as a carry-on. Before any travel, power off the HiveRadar power pack and make sure the foam padding is seated properly to protect the contents from any handling in transit. If you're moving the assembled kit on-site, always use the retractable handle. Do not move the kit by the carbon fiber pole. Beyond wireless site surveys, the WSSK can also be deployed as a temporary connectivity solution in remote or pop-up locations when paired with the 5G gateway, such as HiveRadar Cellular Wireless Gateway. Additional optional accessories are also available for the kit, such as a magnetic pole mount that can be used to attach APs with U-bolts to the WSSK pole, and a universal pole mount that directly attaches to the AP or its bracket and allows it to be mounted on the pole. Before we wrap up, here are the key do's and don'ts to keep in mind whenever you're using the WSSK. Do's: use the retractable handle as your primary point of leverage when maneuvering the kit, never the carbon fiber pole. Keep the case on level ground when conducting a site survey. Keep it clear of foot traffic on the job site to prevent accidental bumps. Pay special care when attaching the base pole to the case. Align the pole straight to prevent damage to the metal threads. Use common sense when mounting very heavy APs with poles extended to full height. Even with the stabilizer legs, a heavy load at full extension needs careful placement. Don'ts: don't mishandle or drop the case. The hard shell can absorb light impacts, but a hard jolt or sustained compression can bend the metal chassis and strip the screw threads. Don't leave the kit out in inclement weather. The WSSK is water resistant with ports sealed, but it is not waterproof. Keep it out of the rain and away from standing water when possible. Don't leave connectors plugged into the battery when you're done. Unplug everything and switch the battery off before packing up. Don't check the WSSK as baggage on a flight. It is built for carry-on. If you absolutely must check it, add exterior protection and remove the battery beforehand. Don't ship the kit without additional packaging. The WSSK is a device, not a suitcase. Its rigid internal framing needs exterior protection to survive courier handling. Shipping it unprotected will void the warranty. That covers everything you need to get up and running with the HiveRadar WSSK. For full documentation, additional accessories, and product updates, visit HiveRadar.com or message us at support@HiveRadar.com.